Good day, mates, dumpster divers, scrappers, good people on YouTube. How y'all doing today? It's nice and sunny out. It's a lovely day, don't you think? Happy Scrappy is here. Thanks for coming on the channel again. I was just riding through the neighborhood behind a shopping center and saw this open top back here with some merchandise for the taking. So I was like, hey, you know what? Why don't I just go and investigate? That's a nice wine rack right there. I can use that. What else they got in there? What else they got in there? Whole bunch of household items. There's something. I got some cord. Work with that. And a fan, man. Man, you got the fans for sure. It'll work. So what's on y'all minds today? What's been going on with y'all? How's your day going? Mine's going wonderful. The weather's nice and mild, not too hot, not too cold, my kind of weather. And the sun is out. And it's a good day to get some scraps. So let's get some. Got another open top. Check. You know we gotta stop for the open top. Let's see what's up. What's up? 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 Oh, you dirty rascal. Look what you've been hiding. Let's see if we can. All right. It's not bad. Oh, it's one of those. It's already open. Just slide the door open. And then help ourselves for the most part to this nice stove. It's full of trash. We don't need that. Stay. Stay. Let's get this tailgate down, straighten my camera up. Everything. Want to slide to the front. This is how it works out sometimes. Bring you here. Bring you there. Get what we can for Japan. Man, it's a heavy drive. Old school Maytag. Ah, man. Don't make it like they used to. Got a little weight. What else we can get out of here? Got some. That's the shell. It's an old refrigerator. And this is the washer. This is the rest of it. I don't need the rest of this. I just need that. All right. You can stay. Get some leverage. Yeah, all right. There we go. Straighten the load up a little bit. What's up, champ? Do I got room for something else? Maybe. Just depending on how hard you're willing to work for it. Let's see what we got here. That's nasty. That's nasty. Very, very nasty. But it got a nice compressor on it though. So we're gonna take the whole thing because we got a little room. Got a little room. So I'm gonna stand it up on top. Upside down. Upside down, you turn. You keep that. Stand them up. Upside down. You know what? I think I can freak it. I'm about to freak it real quick. See if I can get it up over this. Hump. That way I can get it to lean in, like so. There we go. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. Yeah. I think I like how that's turning out. Might stick you underneath. Sweet us. What else? We're gonna take the shell. We're gonna take the shell to make it a complete. There you go. You were missing something. Your clothing, Mr. Maytag. It's a door. This will come in handy. Use this to. There we go. That'll keep that from swinging. That should keep that from swinging back. Yeah. I like that. I'll work with that. I can work with that. And that looks like a deep freezer. But it seems to be in there pretty good. So we'll leave it for another scrapper. Maybe he'll discover what I have and come get it. But I do think, oh man, that's a nice fish tank right there. Must have been a clean out. But I'll take the top. It's got the cord still on it. Yeah, I'll work with that. Give it a quick shake out. See if it's got any little buggies. Get those buggy bugs. Get out of here. That'll work. Money in the bank, shorty, what you think? Money in the bank, shorty, what you think? If I was just probably a few days earlier, probably could have got all of it. But I don't want to go through the trouble because my time is limited. But yeah, as you can see, open tops, a good spot to search for scrap metal. Keeping it moving. Another spot to rock. I see some stuff already. Yeah. They left us something, y'all. Look at this. Let's see, we need a Echo brand. Got any people out there that work on small motors and everything? We'll take it. How you doing?
What you over here doing?
Y'all working late today, huh?
Yep.
Nothing, just getting a little bit of scrap. How you?
I'm doing pretty good. Take all this scrap.
Much appreciated.
Do you have a card?
I sure do.
Because I've been asking them, I was like, do we have a scrap box? And we have stuff, especially like appliances and stuff.
Yeah, I've talked to a couple of your maintenance guys. They usually see me out here regularly, and they usually just sit it over there for me.
Okay, because usually everywhere I work, I got it. I got all this extra stuff.
Yeah,
Get it.
I'll give you a card real quick.
Okay, let me put this in there.
That's what I'm talking about. Just call me when you got it, and I'm going to come get it. For sure.
Thank you. Just so
You're welcome.
Because Nate ain't always gonna be here every day and all of that.
Okay.
So I appreciate it.
All right. Appreciate you. You too. Yeah. So when you're consistent in certain neighborhoods and areas, apartment complexes and things, that's things can happen for you. You can build a rapport with the people, and you can get, I guess you can call this like a contract. And they call you when they got scrap, and that'll save you a lot of, driving around and looking, especially if they got a significant load that you can just come get in one trip. The next thing you know, you got one under your belt, then two under your belt, and so on and so on. You get the idea. So that's something I'm working on too, is getting contracts with different businesses, apartment complex, so they can utilize my service and build that relationship. And if they like you, then you're their guy or gal. I don't know. Some ladies out there that scrap. So, make it work. Getting these screens. These are aluminum. And I'm just cleaning them as I go, taking the little plastic notches out of them so I can get clean aluminum weight, pay, price, all that good stuff. Since we're right here in front of the trash receptacle. And that was perfect timing too, because this is usually like my where I finish up my route for the day, and I happen to come this way first. And what do you know? Ran into one of the I think she worked in the office. Work in the rental office lady, and boom, take my card. Gonna hook us up. Let's see if I can reach that. So these caulking guns. That's actually pretty good. I can use those. See, you don't always, well, I ain't gonna say always. See, you just don't find scrap. You also find useful things too that you can use. And I've run across a lot of stuff. Very, very useful stuff. This is a box. Zap. throw that in there. My wire has its own little corner up front. Let's see what we got in here. A couple of walkie-talkies, Kenwoods. They look like they're going on a charger. There's a battery to a cordless tools. Too bad I don't have the tools to go with it. Oh, it's 2 batteries in here. You know, you could actually sell these online. People that are looking for batteries. So you know what? I think I'm gonna take them and post them and see if somebody can use them. All right, that's it for that. Got some Ritz crackers for you. Yummy. Yummy. Just looking around. You know, also, some scrappers keep vacuums, so it's got a little motor in there, but I don't want to go through the trouble of taking it apart for a small electric motor. But to each his own. That's probably aluminum right there. Let's see. Yep. Keep you some magnets somewhere on the truck. You know, I've had a few magnets stolen off my truck. You know, for whatever reason, people want to take things just to try to make things difficult for you. But you can go to a hardware store and buy a pack of magnets for a few bucks, and they usually come in packs of 6 or 8, depending on which strength magnets you use. But they're pretty cheap, and I usually keep a little magnet on each side of the truck so I can give it a quick tap, see if it's ferrous or non-ferrous metal. That way you know what kind of metals you got and profit margin you're working with. But we're gonna go check a couple of other spots. That's all I saw here. Let's go. What the what? All right, here's another style. Gee willikers, Batman. We got a stove and a fridge. What? This is another complex I come to, and I actually talked to maintenance, and they say they would leave the stuff out for me. And look what kind of treasures we got. Looking good. Ooh, some things in the open top too. Yeah, let's go in there first. Snatch that. Knock, knock, who is it? Let's just get it all over there. Man, somebody beat that stove to death. The thing's all bent up. Real nice, so, you know, we're gonna get this small stuff. Can't go without the small stuff. Yeah. We got some room for it. We got some room. Let's let this tailgate down. Yeah, I'm try to piece this puzzle together. Got y'all up there. 3 batteries right there. Yeah, we're gonna make this work out real nice. Real nice. Got some cans too. You know I like my aluminum cans. Can't leave those. Can't leave that. Nasty. That's nasty. But that comes along with the territory. Right. Guys like they Modelo. Modelo. Never had Modelo. You guys ever drink Modelo? I never had it. Is it any good? I don't know. I don't do much of that stuff. My friend, that's a piece of aluminum. I got the fan. What else? Okay, there's a little transformer motor, small motor on there. Awesome sauce. Give everything a quick sweep through. I think that's about it in here. Got a door. Screen door. It's got the edges are metal, but not gonna worry with that. Not gonna worry with that. We're gonna get this other stuff loaded. Walking down the street, watching me go by, watching them, watching them, ladies. All right, that's that. What do I want to load? I think I'm gonna load the refrigerator first. Yeah, let's try to get this fridge up there first. And then again, maybe the stove. And I can lay the refrigerator over the tailgate. Yeah. I think that's what I will do. So I think with a little leverage. Hey! Oh man, that fit in there perfect. If we needed to, we could shut the tailgate. But we have one more item to put on, and that's Mr. Refrigerator. Oh, don't want to forget you, Mr. Moto. Hello, Moto. Want to give a shout out to my loved ones in Waco, Texas. Yeah, how y'all doing in Waco? That's my hometown, home state, Waco, Texas. But I'm here in Virginia, where I grew up for the most part, better part of my life. We're gonna do it that. You can stick it right here. I don't know if that will stay. Okay, that'll stay. All right, let's walk Mr. Refrigerator. Usually you guys roll. You don't have any wheels? Huh? You don't want to make it eat off. It does have wheels. But it's not going to roll in that grass. Not going to roll in the grass. So let's do a quick lean fighting machine. Get our workout on. Will it fit? Will it fit in between the wires? Come on, you almost was there. How are we gonna do this? What are we gonna do? Maybe I need to straighten it out. No, it's just wide enough to where it won't. And it's starting to get dark quick. And I need to see. So let's put on the miniature, the mini sun, the mini star to shine some light on situation. You know what, now I'm thinking like, probably should have put the fridge in first and then put the washer on the outside to keep it in, which I can still do, and which I think I'm going to do. So the trick is to slide this to the side. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. All right, you know what? I'll put it in upside down. It's fine. No, we're not gonna put it in upside down because I need the weight. I need the weight to be on the bottom. Make a wish, baby. So I'm standing up upside down. All right. Walk that over. All right. I think we're in business. We're gonna see. All right, up. That's good. Give it a good push. All right. Man, that worked out good. Now we'll sit you right here and throw some scraps perhaps. But of course, let's get some scraps and take you out. All right. Appreciate you. And then we're gonna scrap it down. So whenever you find opportunities like this, man, you gotta jump on it. Gotta jump on it. You see how bulky, see how big and bulky refrigerators and stuff are. They take up a lot of room, but we didn't see a whole lot of small items out today, so these are the opportune times that I'll go ahead and take refrigerators and other big bulky items. Cause you gotta get in where you fit in, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? All right. I think we're good there. Go inside. Good. Good, yeah. Yeah. We good. We're good, champ. We're good, champ. Yeah. Yeah, we didn't do too bad. Got a couple of fridges, some miscellaneous stuff, fan, a little bit of aluminum, washer and a dryer, old Maytag, heavy, good weight, old stove, for sure. Yeah, and it was there, And I was following my nose. I was using the Force like a Jedi. And I was like, you know what? I see these open tops and different things, and I'm gonna go investigate. Go see what's going on with them, and bada bing, bada boom. Got a pretty good load, pretty much maxed out. Had to put the tailgate down, all that good stuff. Push it down. I want y'all coming out. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. A little bit shorter video than what I usually do, which is maybe a good thing. But yeah, you see open tops and you get to them, go ahead and take the time and check them out. Pay good dividends. For sure. Got a possible contract with the apartment complex for services. So, if you have the opportunity to do that, take it. Could save you a lot of time driving around looking for scrap. They might schedule when they have a whole bunch of items, several stoves, several refrigerators, several ACs, whatever. I don't know. Might be a truckload each pickup. And that's a good way to get your weight up. So, yeah, thank you for joining me on the scrapping adventure. This is Happy Scrappy. Happy scrapping to y'all. And peace and love. See you in the next video. And like always, like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments. I do read y'all's comments and respond. So, any tidbits, any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the chat box. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace and love.